Alright, so we're going to be doing a FSD, full self-driving beta test drive of this 11.3.6 software version 2022.45.15. Alright, so let's get you guys in here. Alright, and let's go for a drive. So, we're going to navigate to Golfland Milpitas. Let's see what happens. So right now it's not going on its own yet because it needs to have the little steering wheel. I don't trust it on parking lots and driveways, so yeah. Okay, now that we're on the road, you can see it has a little steering wheel here. I just tap this twice and it goes into drive. Okay, I guess it maintained my speed adjustment, which adds 15% to the speed limit, so it's doing 29 and a 25 right now, and it's going pretty confidently down this road. Okay, car's coming and it's just driving, continuing at 29, very confident. Curious if it's going to go through the there's a like closed metal
in 500
like
feet, turn left onto Jacqueline
at the entrance
Road.
it likes to try and take. Let's see if it tries to take that entrance and what it decides to do.
Now turn left onto Jacqueline Road.
I'm also curious if it changed at all with U-turns. I don't think so because I didn't see anything in the notes about U-turns being updated. So we'll find out. All right. I still feel it's staying a little too much to the right of this. Technically, this isn't 2 lanes, but most human drivers here will stay close to the left so that people that want to make a right on red have room to make a right on red. You can see that in the visualization here, actually. Let me zoom in. And there you can see, like, we're too far to the center over here. Okay, it's going on its own. Nice. It's nice. It drove straight a little bit and then it made the left turn. Okay. Good. Yeah, let's see what happens when it gets to the turn because there's a metal gate there.
In 500 feet, turn left.
Okay, it's slowing down. There's a lot of
Now
people
turn
at
left.
Golfland right now, and oh, the metal gate's actually, oh no, it's closed still. Okay, so it's turning and it's kind of stopping, and oh, and it saw the thing and it just stopped. Okay, so it saw the stop sign and then it gave up. It stopped on its own. So I'm gonna wait for that car to go. I wonder why they never opened this gate here. Okay, let's see if I continue. Navigate to Golfland Milpitas. Oh, it's still going. Okay, so now if I let it go, because there's an entrance right here. Is it? Oh, it says it's gonna take it.
Now your destination is on the right.
Okay. Oh, there's some cars over here. Slow down. Oh, why is it? Oh, it's going in this area. And in the, as you can see, it's in a like parking area, but it was going like 40 and a 35. But here you can see it says autopilot navigation complete. Interesting. Oh, they added employee parking here. That's new. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around. It seemed to do okay. It actually did that fine. Let's see if it can do a U-turn at all or not. Okay, you can see I'm kind of crippling the rear camera a little bit because it has that basket there. Sometimes the car detects like a car is coming, so that's kind of interesting. But let's try this. Navigate home. Okay, so again, I don't trust it in parking lots. It was showing like a 40-mile-an-hour speed limit in here, which doesn't make sense. Okay, so we'll go on here again.
Now turn
and I'm
right
actually going to
onto
go over to the
Jacqueline
left
Road.
and then navigate to Golfland Milpitas. So
In
I'm gonna
500
go over
feet,
to the left.
make a
and
U-turn
let's
to
see if it
stay
can
on
make the
Jacqueline
U-turn.
Road.
It's gonna make the U-turn. Let's see what happens.
Now
Okay.
make a U-turn to stay on Jacqueline Road.
So we gotta do a U-turn right here. Let's see what it does. Is it just gonna give up? It says unable to complete maneuver. Oh, whoa, whoa. Car went to make a U-turn, couldn't complete the maneuver, and then it tried to go out to the outside lane. Yeah, so they still haven't fixed the U-turn issue. So I guess that's pretty much it. I'll just navigate home now. Navigate home. And I'm pretty sure, okay, no, it's not going to U-turn here, so I'll U-turn myself. But yeah, it doesn't seem to be able to do U-turns at all. So you can see it's trying to drive that way and then go around. If I tell it to go, what's it going to do? It shows it's going to make a left turn here. What? What? Nope. Okay, I'm doing it myself. So it's kind of interesting because you can see what the GPS is thinking and you can see what the car's thinking. So failed to make a U-turn.
500 feet, turn right
So
onto
I'm
North
just going to keep
Hillview
sending
Drive.
those, and hopefully that will tell them to work on doing U-turns, because I've never had it do a successful U-turn so far. It would have to be like 2 left turns, and then it will probably do it. Let's see what it does here, because there's a right turn lane
Now
here.
turn
It's
right
driving
onto
really
North
fast.
Hillview Drive.
Okay, it's going in. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Oh, it's a bit better there. Okay. Sometimes it goes out too far back over to the left, but this time it actually did okay. But it's like really wobbly, so that kind of stuff is not good for your tires. But yeah. But yeah, it did decent. Okay, and this is all pretty much straight lines, so yeah, all I'm testing is the parts where I know it like kind of has troubles, and like that stop
In 500
spot
feet,
where
your
it just stops in
destination
the
will
middle
be
of
on
the
the
road
right.
because it has nowhere else to go and doesn't know what to do. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and
Now
I'll see you
your
all in the next
destination
one.
is on the right.
Bye. One other thing I forgot to mention, when it reaches the destination, at least for the house, it just stops like right in the middle of the road there, and then it will show on the screen that it reached the destination or whatever, and it's done. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.